Here's how to use screen recording on your iPhone. First, check the screen recording is turned on. Swipe your finger down from the top right corner. No, it's not there. So here's how we fix it. Go to your settings. Go down to Control Center. This is the list of included controls. Go down further. And there is screen recording. Press the green plus. And now it's included. Making progress. So now we go back to the main screen. Drag your finger down. And there it is with the concentric circles.
We are 3, 2, 1, and recording.
So now whatever happens on this screen is recorded. So I can flick up and down here. I can open a game. All of it is recorded now. And when you've recorded enough, press on the clock up here, which is now colored in red. Press stop. Screen recording video saved to photos. So let's check. Let's go to photos. And here it is, the most recent one in my camera roll.